What's going on YouTube? My name is Tyler with SKing.com. Hit you with my fourth video of the day. And this is what I do. I shoot videos. And yeah, today's question is, what is a decent side hustle that requires little to no money, upfront money? And I didn't really think about this question. I just top of my head what I think. So start up a side hustle that's requires little money. Anything that you're into can make money. Anything you're good at can make you money. I'm gonna tell you some easy ones. Start a game channel. Start a game YouTube channel. You can use your Xbox. You can record. You can stream on your Xbox now. Well, it's been that way, but with Mixer.com, you can stream your whole game experience, and then they'll save your video for 2 weeks. And what you could do is also edit the video and put it on YouTube. Easy. That is an easy way. It's not cost you no money if you already have the system of games, of course. If you don't have it, you got to spend no money. But if you got a game system, you spend $60 for a game, but use the game you already got. And you can stream, make money streaming, and make money with YouTube. Another side gig. Uber, Instacart. You cut grass in your neighborhood. You could do Lyft as well. What else is a good side hustle? Power washing houses I want to get into. Delivering packages for Amazon, another one I'm gonna get into. It's an easy gig. You can sign up to be a Amazon carrier. You could put the packages in your car. It tells you where to go. You scan the package. You put on the porch. You take a picture of it. You're done. Easy side hustle. Easy side hustle. I want to get into that as well during the weekend. It makes me extra money for the Christmas. Because we're getting this fall right now. I'm shooting the video. It's late September, so we're getting to fall. So we try to save some money for the Christmas holiday. So Amazon Carrier was good. You have a car. If you don't have a car, try this in YouTube videos at home. Shoot a bunch of content. That's easy you can do. Let's say you do a gaming channel if you like play video games. If you don't play video games, shoot regular videos. Start your blog. Start a blog. Start it now, and it can make you money a year from now, 6 months from now. What else can you do? There's a lot of stuff you can do as a side hustle. You can sell things. You can flip things. You can buy. And one thing that my niece was doing is buying. You buy summer clothes in the winter, and you buy winter clothes in the summer. So, because nobody's buying a hoodie in May, in June. No one's buying a hoodie. So you buy, and it'd be cheaper. So you buy a hoodie for $20, and once you get cold, you sell it for $60. Its price going up. So you can buy things, hold them, flip them. You can get into stocks if you want to. I'm interested in buying and holding clothes because that doesn't make sense. You buy something, you find something on clearance like $5-10, but you can sell them online for $20. Once it gets cold, you make money that way too. It's a nice little side hustle as well. Sell things on eBay, sell your own stuff, offer up, paint, babysit, if you have time, and start your own business. Start your own business. Start doing something that you enjoy doing. Me, I like making YouTube videos. I like gaming. I like blogging. Those are my side hustles. So I like a lot of things as well. But whatever makes you happy, go ahead and try to make money from it, monetize it. If you're a gym rat, learn to be a personal trainer. If you're helping people, be a counselor, be a life coach. You know what I'm saying? Help people out. You know what I'm saying? If you just a good person who get good advice, get on YouTube, make videos. Make some videos. That's it. Make some YouTube videos and make money that way. You know what I'm saying? Be an affiliate marketer. Get a product that you got Amazon around the house. Do a video about it, and put the link below the video. Make money off that. Be an affiliate marketer. Be an affiliate marketer. Try that. That's what I do. When I get a new product, a new AC, if I get something new, a new battery charger, if I get a new chemical for my yard, I do a video about it. I do a video. Anything I get new, I do a video. So do a video. Do video stuff on your house. Do a video. Make your channel do a review channel. A lot of ways to make money, man, these days, man. Anything you do to make money. So just take your time, start now. So if you have a job now, start now, because if you lost your job, at least that business got some traction, got some views, and you can keep going on momentum. So that's what I say. Do that and you'll be okay. All right. So that's not a lot of side hustles, but get your mind going that you can do outside stuff, cut the grass, power out houses, put chemicals down, build a exterminator. And when you get home, you create videos, you can write blog posts, you create be an affiliate marketer for products and services as well. You know what I'm saying? So that's another way to make money. So you make money online and offline. That's the perfect way to make money. You make money online and you make money offline. My name is Ty with That'sKing.com. Thanks for watching.